This is an unboxing of a Lenovo P14s Gen 6. There's the power adapter, 65-watt USB-C. Papers. Let's quickly go over the ports. Just a Kensington lock slot there, full-size Ethernet, USB. This is where your optional SIM card would go in an optional smart card reader. This model doesn't have that. There's nothing really on the front. On this side, the combo audio port, another USB, full-size, HDMI, and 2 USB-C there. Nothing on the back, just the fan output. It's actually different from the previous model. And on the bottom, probably a reset hole right here at the top. And that is really it. And so the same keyboard and trackpad as the last model. I think the last model still had the Copilot button and stuff like that too. And then at the top, just dual mics, a little privacy switch for the camera, and little, I think the IR sensor for Windows Hello, whatever. This is the AMD model. And that is it.